Hey guys, Baron Von Forger with Grillax.com. Today we're doing super sweet plantains cooked in the fire disc grill. Oh my gosh, so good, so healthy. Let's get started. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to start with some very ripe plantains. You want to get a mandolin. You can use a knife, but if you use a mandolin slicer, you can really dial that thickness in on those plantains. We like it about 1/8 of an inch thick. We're going to use coconut oil today. It's very clean, high temperature burning. It's very healthy for you. As you can see, it's just so clear. There's no impurities. It's just perfect for this dish. Of course, the fire disc slotted spatula is perfect for frying, but when you got to have these meticulous little pieces of plantain, it's a little bit too much. So we're going to go with a smaller spoon today. What you want to do is you drop those plantains into 350 degrees coconut oil, about 2 minutes per side until they get golden brown. Once they're golden brown, you want to pull those off, put them on a paper towel, let them drain a little, and then top them with sea salt, cinnamon, and coconut sugar. It's so good. It's so addictive. We hope you enjoy it. Sweet plantains on the fire disc grill, Grillax.com.